everyone, Andy here and welcome to today's episode. I hope you are well. I've seen some recent pictures on what could be little teasers on a new DJI Phantom 5 drone, or possibly it could be a DJI Phantom 4 version 2, it could be like an upgrade. So let's get into those pictures. I'm going to talk about it. Let's get straight into it. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell icon to keep up to date with future videos. Okay, so new pictures have emerged of what could be an up-and-coming DJI Phantom 5 or a Phantom 4.0. These pictures come from two sources, both Japanese. Someone called at OsitaLV on Twitter, and a new source which possibly could be some sort of like DJI beta tester. Maybe someone's testing out this new drone. In all of these shots, the body looks like a new aluminium type coloured, like a matte silver looking Phantom. Maybe it's the prototype in action. There's two detailed shots now that have emerged most recently of the camera, the lens and the gimbal combination. And there's also one of where it looks like the Phantom 5 is in a backpack alongside a Mavic Pro and a Phantom 5 controller. But as I said, today we've got these new pictures. These are new high quality pictures of the gimbal, the camera and the lens. Unfortunately, the photos do not show which of the four type of lenses is mounted, because supposedly there's rumours that there's multi-changing lenses now on the new Phantom, or Phantom 4 2.0. It's rumoured to come with a 15mm, 24mm, 35 and 50mm lenses. You can make out on one of the pictures wording saying DJI lens. Now that actually looks pretty official, unless this has been really well photoshopped, but it does look legit. And it's next to the lens release button. A new Phantom 5, it is rumoured to have obstacle avoidance in 6 directions, but that is impossible to confirm that just based on these pictures. This is more about what this lens is all about, and is this either a new interchangeable one that you can buy for the 4, or is this the hints of testing of the new Phantom 5? The overall form of it looks identical to the Phantom 4 series. But keep in mind, we are assuming these pictures are indeed of the new Phantom 5 drone, or at least a prototype of some kind. But each time I keep looking closely at these pictures, they do look official. They don't look like someone's just spent ages mocking this up. I don't know why would they do that. This does look like it is possibly being leaked from a source, which should be very interesting to see what you guys think, and I hope you have enjoyed these pictures that I've been able to get hold of. Thanks for everyone for watching. If you did like this video, make sure to hit the like button, leave those comments below on your thoughts. What do you think of this? Is this possibly the new DJI Phantom 5 that we've been really waiting for? Or is it just going to be a new camera upgrade, which means it's probably a Phantom 4 version 2 or version 2.0, whatever they're going to call it, or some fancy name. Leave the comments below, and again, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to keep up to date with future videos. Thanks everyone for watching. See ya. Bye.